Good morning, and welcome back to Jody Lewis Creations. In today's video, I'm going to show you another Cori project that I did, and this is using the Compendium Revamp from Tracie. So this will be, I'll list it as a design team project because this kit is fantastic, and it's the majority of what I did used to make this. It's all my bases, and well, I'll clarify that as we go. I'm gonna have this little twine tie on it. I had it untied because this is my second time trying to film this, and I realized I wasn't done with it. I'd forgotten to glue a pocket, made a tag too big, so it's kind of like a Murphy kind of project, but that's okay. It's taken me days to work on this because I just haven't had much gumption. So here's the front, and I did print this on 32-pound paper, and I think if I make another one, I will try my matte photo paper, which is like 48 or 49 pounds. I can't remember the exact weight of it. It's something like that. I really like this. I think it's fun. It is quite full. If I'd realized, I should have known how full I was going to make it for the reason I made this, but here we are. So we open it up, and I have this tag, and this is a pretty, it's like a cardstock tag. It's pretty significant, and I was watching Darcy's Misadventures and did a gel plate resist technique on it, and I'm going to learn my gel plate. So that is one of my goals. Hopefully this month I'll be able to play with it more, for the month of March, I should say. Happy March. I hope everybody's doing well. Oh, if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for joining me. I am a little off today. I've had a headache since last night, and so I'm just not thinking clearly. Like I said, this is my second time filming this, and I do think it's stress induced. It'll be fine. It'll be fine. It's taken me all week to work on this. It's been a crazy week for me. So there will be updates in the RV saga on my pink or my full deck challenge video on Monday, so I will chatter a little bit about that while I work on my card. But anyway, oh, focus. No focus. I'm telling you guys, I love this tag. I want to make some more. And then this is one of those flowers that I made out of the orange cardstock. Like, you can't even tell that was orange. How cool is that? And so this was a scrap from the kit, and I have like this, it's kind of like newsprint packaging. I don't know, but anyway, I made just this grungy little notebook with that to slide in the pocket. I made another one here with another scrap that's not as grungy, just to slide in there. I like that. I love this flower. I kept debating, do I put a pocket here or not? But I love this paper. You would have seen me use this in the Little Red Hen, Little Golden book that I did. So this has this beautiful moth in the kit, and I used my Lost Shadow embossing glaze on it. I only did one coat, so it's kind of rough looking, and I love that. And then I was having fun with the bingo card, and you can see I like dauber stamped it to make it look like I'd been playing bingo. I don't know. Anyway, and here I just have a couple tickets, a tag, and a blank check, just for some ephemera to stick in here, like things that can be used or whatever. Same with this pocket. Oh, I didn't show you what's in this pocket. See? But yeah, I really love this project. And this was really fun because these were in my die cut bin. Like, this was something that I'd taken a circle out of, but then I liked that leftover piece, and I thought, well, how fun just to use that. And my little leaves off one of the orange cardstock makes. And this is a very tight fit in here. When I first filmed, I was like, that pocket wasn't glued. Then I tried to stick the tag in there, and the tag didn't fit. So I'm like, I need to walk away today. Walk away, Jody. All right. And then on this page, again, this floral background page is absolutely beautiful. I just love it. And here I have a couple of more just pieces to include with this. And then one of my little birds that's also the orange cardstock. Like, see? That's so much fun. So if you didn't see that video, it was a fun video with how to transform some cardstock color that I really didn't care for and made it into something that I love. So that just tucks in there. And then this cute little boy, again, he's from the kit. These are from the kit. So like I said, the digital images are all from the one kit. I didn't print any other kits to use in this. I did pull, you know, actual ephemera bits from my stash to fill the pockets, but everything that is here is actually made with the kit. So I just wanted to show you, you know, like you really can use just, you know, a digital, and I don't have that even, but that's okay. I'll fix it. This will get tied in a bow. Anywho, what was I saying? I don't even know. Yeah, the kit, you know, you can use the kit. I'm so sorry, you guys. You can use the kit, a digital kit, just whatever your style is, and make a cute little something. Like, wouldn't that make amazing little Happy Mail? Okay, if I make another one, I won't necessarily show you, but I did want to show you how it can come together with a digital as well. So thank you to Tracie for her amazing designs. And again, special thanks to Cori for the design itself, of the style of the piece. And I really enjoyed making it. So hopefully you guys get inspired to explore maybe a new design. And I love this design because, again, it's so versatile, super interactive. And if you've been following me for any amount of time, you know how much I really enjoy interactive pieces. So anyway, okay, well, I will see you guys in the next video. I have to clean my table up a little bit, and then I have to work on my pink with black splatter card, just so you have reference for when I'm filming this. I can't post this right away, but I wanted to get it filmed. So anyway, all right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.